The UK government is asking whether employers should consult workers before installing Bossware. Bossware covers AI productivity scoring, keystroke logging, and biometric tracking. The consultation frames monitoring as a productivity tool and a privacy and fairness risk. The Department for Business and Trade opened a consultation. It asks whether current rules still fit as monitoring software spreads. Options are guidance, a statutory code, or a legal duty to consult unions or elected representatives. The proposed scope includes CCTV, access control, biometrics, location tracking, keystroke monitoring, productivity software, and systems using automated decision-making, or AI. The consultation cites 2 data points. 1 in 3 organizations now say they actively monitor digital activity. 2 years earlier, ICO research found 1 in 5 employers monitored staff. The government notes benefits like productivity and growth, and warns of privacy, autonomy, disproportionate surveillance, and biased outcomes. The consultation defines workplace monitoring technology broadly. Think sensors, telemetry, and analytics. CCTV and access control are sensors. Location tracking and keystroke logging are telemetry. Productivity suites and algorithmic management form analytics. With AI or automated decision-making, shift allocation, flags, or performance scores can be inferred or automated. The government flags risks from incomplete inputs, bias, and lack of transparency. This is a systems story because monitoring tools change IT stacks and data pipelines. A statutory consultation duty would mean formal processes for data provenance, model inputs, and decision workflows. Cloud and platform engineers may need more documentation, retention controls, and integration work to expose automated decisions. Stephanie Lee says it would add a further layer of oversight to GDPR, employment law, and the EU AI Act. This consultation sits inside the Make Work Pay reforms. 2 trends drive it: increasing use of digital monitoring and rising regulation around automated decision-making. The paper cites 1 in 3 organizations monitoring staff and contrasts that with the ICO's 1 in 5 2 years earlier. It references the EU AI Act as an existing regulatory factor. Engineers should expect changes to product lifecycle requirements, prepared data provenance logs, and explainability outputs for automated decisions. Add test suites that show how noisy inputs affect scores. Expose decision inputs to HR dashboards and employee tools. Vendors should support audit exports and representative sampling for reviews. Operationally, consultation duties add gates to change control and procurement. Cloud costs can increase due to longer retention and extra logging. Security and privacy teams will need clear retention policies. This is a governance change, not a security advisory. The consultation runs until September 30th, 2026. Ministers have not decided between guidance, a statutory code, or a legal duty to consult. Responses will shape next steps and any obligations. If you build or operate monitoring systems, start mapping deployments and data flows now. Be ready to show how automated decisions are made and which laws apply. These burdens will fall to platform, procurement, and compliance teams if statutory controls are chosen. Primary source: the register coverage of the Department for Business and Trade consultation. You will find the source link in the description.